Well, Langdon Emerson has handled many trucking cases all over the country. One particular case comes to mind where several years ago there was a horrible accident in Arkansas. We represented the widow and the children of actually a truck driver, a very good truck driver who was hit by another semi-truck. We investigated that case, we evaluated that case, and the Highway Patrol in Arkansas had blamed some other driver, not the truck driver who was at fault. And so it was not obvious. The family came to us and said, we believe that another trucker was at fault. And we have medical bills to pay for our loved one. We have no support now. He was the breadwinner in the family. And so we took their case. So we went and we tracked all the eyewitnesses down. And what we found was that it was the truck driver who crossed the center line, not some other driver. It was the truck driver who was at fault. And so we pursued the case against the truck driver and the truck company. And we kept digging. And what we found was that this particular truck driver had almost no experience with over-the-road trucks. What we also found out was this truck company had not done a thorough investigation of the truck driver's background. That truck driver had 2 DWIs, as well as other accidents. We didn't stop there. We hired a really good expert that retraced the route that this truck driver was put on. And what we found was, through this very good expert that we used, was that the truck company sent this truck driver on a route and gave him deadlines where there was no way for him to complete the route and comply with the federal safety laws. The truck company did not offer a fair amount. They offered a very small amount. So we took them to court in a county in Arkansas where there had never been a verdict over $2 million. And their offer to the family going into trial was $75,000, where their loved one was burned to death in this crash. The loved one, the father, the husband who was killed in this accident, the jury came back with a record verdict, a verdict for $7 million. So we were able to bring justice for this family, and again to see the look on their face, the relief that they would be able to pay for their medical bills, and the relief that they would be able to support themselves and the kids could go to college. That is what was really satisfying.